Hello everyone, for class 11th maths the topic is permutation, and today we are going to study the type of permutations of alike things, means identical things. So the number of permutation of n things taken all at a time. So suppose randomly if I have 10 balls, P of the things are alike, Q of the other are alike, R and so on. This means two balls are red, मे बी 3 balls are white, 3 एक जैसे हैं, 2 एक जैसे हैं, मे बी सम डिफरेंट ऑल्सो, 4 are say green, and then all other are of different colors. 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 1 is left, 1 is black. So if I want to find the permutations, is as simple as that. Total 10 balls, जो भी similar balls हैं, those factorials will come in the denominator. So 2, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 1 factorial. That's it. As simple as that. Now let's do questions based on alike permutations. Okay, so the question here is, there are 5 red, 4 white and 3 blue marbles in a bag. They are drawn one by one and arranged in a row. Assuming that all the 12 marbles are drawn, determine the number of different arrangements. Now we have total 12 marbles in which 5 are alike, so P will be 5, 4 are alike, Q will be 4 and R 3. So the total number of permutations, let us denote it by X, will be 12 factorial upon factorials of P, Q, R separately. When we will solve it, we will get our answer, or you can leave your answer here also. But I suggest you to simplify further and find out the answer. Okay, now let's do one question based on the digits. How many 7-digit numbers can be formed using the digits? Now see, you must have observed these type of questions forming 7-digit, 5 digits. We have done previous also, but here the digits are repeating. We have to use the same digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and इन्हीं से एक number बनाना है. And how many such numbers are possible? We are supposed to find that. So here comes permutation of alike things, because we have repetitions here. So permutation of alike things, we have total 7 digits. Now alike things, let's say 2, 1, 2, 3 times 2 is coming. How many times it is repeating, this we need. Q, 1 is not repeating, 0 is also not repeating, 4 is repeating 2 times. So that's it. 1 factorial is 1 itself, so whether I write it or not. If I write 1 one time and S 0 also 1 time. How many times? It is the frequency actually which we are writing. So all the digits we have covered, 4 big India, 2, 0 and 1. So number of permutations, so number of 7-digit numbers, how many such numbers are there, will be 7 factorial upon 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 1 factorial, 1 factorial. So let us solve them, because the question is still not finished. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 upon 3, 420. Now see, for a 7-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I need to exclude 0 from here. If I write 0 here, the number will become 6 digits. So गलत हो जाएगा. But this particular number of numbers 420, इसमें सारे numbers covered हैं, which means out of all 420 numbers, all the numbers which are starting from 0 वो भी इसमें cover हो गए, but वो हमें include नहीं करने थे. So now let us remove all such numbers which are starting from 0. How are we going to do that? Let's see. So we have to write some theory also with this. But out of these 420 numbers, there are some numbers which begin with 0. and since clearly they are not 7-digit number, so let us find the numbers. So permutations of the numbers starting with 0, we will find it and remove it from 420. अब 0 से कौन कौन से नंबर स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड इट. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. यहाँ से 0 एक्सक्लूड करना है एंड सपोज हमने यहाँ पर 0 फिक्स कर दिया. सो देर इज़ वन वे पॉसिबल टू फिक्स 0. And for the other numbers we have 6 factorial because again it's a repeated permutation. 3 factorial, 2 factorial. So 1 into this is 60. So there are 60 numbers which are actually starting from 0. So total 7-digit numbers which are not starting from 0. Total 7-digit numbers which are not starting from 0, they will be total minus the ones which are starting from 0. So this is 360. That's the answer. Next question. How many different words can be formed with the letters of the word Bharat? BHARAT. Now how do we know that we have to apply permutation of alike things and not the normal permutation of 6p6? How do we know that any alphabet if it is repeating we have to apply permutation of alike things? अगर कोई repetition नहीं है, earlier we have done these words radio, we have done equation, triangle, so many words we have done, but उसमें कोई भी digit repeated नहीं था, which is why we have simply written 6p6 or 7p7, 8p8, counting the number of letters. But here we have a repeated letter due to which we are applying the topic which we are studying now. So total 6 factorial, and since it is repeating, no letter is repeating other than A 2 times. That's it. 1 factorial you need not write. जो भी repeat है, एक से ज़्यादा है, only those we are going to write. So this is 6 5 4 3 2. So 360 arrangements are possible. More parts are there with the restricted conditions on them. Second part is, in how many of these B and H are never together? B and H कभी एक साथ नहीं होने चाहिए. Those arrangements we need to find out. So the key step of finding this, that B and H are never together, we will find out the total permutations which we have already done in first part. All over कितने permutations हैं, minus the ones in which B and H are together, because finding them together is easy than finding them never together. So many possibilities are there. So total we have already found. Now the focus is on finding when B and H are together. अब ये कैसे possible है? 1 2 3 4 5 6. B and H together means B and H को एक single letter assume कर लो. This is a single letter. So how many letters we have? 1 2 3 4 5. Total letters are 5. And repetitions, we have 2 A's inside. So in all of them, this box B and H will always be together. And 2 possible ways of selecting this box, maybe it is BH, maybe it is HB. HB के case में भी B and H are together. So 2 possible ways to write this box. So this is the final answer, that B and H are always together. B and H को एक single alphabet assume करके 5 alphabets in which 2 are repeated, and box के अंदर कितनी possibilities हैं? 2 possibilities, BH और HB. So therefore solving this we will get 120. Now actual question is they should never occur together, which means total 360 minus in which they are always together. अब always together minus कर दिया, so obviously we are left with the ones in which B and H will never occur together. I hope this part is clear. Now one last part also is there of the same question, Bharat. How many of these begin with B and end with T? So we are fixing B and T here. To fix B in the first place is the only choice. We do not have any other choice. To fix T in the end is the only choice. Fixing them exactly one way is possible. So we are left with the inner letters, and inner letters are, so we have to arrange 4 letters, out of which 2 repetitions, 2 alikes are there, and into one for B and T. You may write, may not write, hardly any difference. So final answer is 12 such words are there in which B is in the first place and T is in the last place. Okay, find the number of permutations of the following words. So let us first find out India. So again I can see 2 letters being repeated, so alike permutations. Out of total 5 letters, I is repeating 2 times and no other alphabet is being repeated. So that's it. Coming to second, Allahabad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9. A is coming 4 times and L is coming 2 times. Anything else? H is single, B and D. That's it. Solving part, you must find out the final answer. See, combine. COMBINE. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No alphabet is being repeated. So clearly we can just write 7 factorial or we can write 7p7. It's like 7 factorial upon 1 factorial every time. Last, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's see, C not repeated, O 2 times, M 2 times, S also 2 times, I also 2 times, N not repeated. That's it. So solve this to find out the final answer. Okay, so here is a challenge for you. One question. Find how many arrangements can be made with the letters of the word mathematics. In how many of them the vowels occur together. If you understood the video completely, if you know the concept now, you will be able to do both the parts and answer in the comments, please. Let's see how many of us can do this. All the best. Stay tuned.